Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily send large video files through WhatsApp without losing its quality. Because if you send a video on your mobile device straight through WhatsApp, it will lose its quality and will be half the size of the original video. Now, therefore, it will be blurry and you can't use it. Now, I'm going to show you how to actually send a video without losing its quality. Now, the first thing that you want to do is open up your mobile device. I'm using an iPhone, but you can also use an Android device. Now, first select the video that you want to send. Now, I will do the last one, the 5-second one. And here, what you want to do next, you want to scroll down and we're going to open the App Store, because in the App Store, you need to look for the application called WeTransfer. Now, I've already downloaded it. WeTransfer is a application which allows you to put videos inside of links, and therefore you can easily send them to everyone and they will be the original size. Now, what you want to do, you want to go to the bottom left where the plus icon appears, and here you want to upload a file. Now, make sure that the setting in the top option is set to get a link instead of send as email. So use get a link, press the plus icon, and here go to photo and video library. Now, select the video that you've just created or you want to send and press add. Now here it will be added, and as you can see it's 13 megabytes, and I've just checked on the original and this is also 13 megabytes. Now here in the message you can add the title of the video, so here simply add title video or whatever you want to call it, and from there you can choose the expiring date and add a password if you have WeTransfer Premium. Now simply press transfer, and here the file will be transferred inside the link, as you can see. Now the transferring process is completely done in 100%. Now let's wait, and here my link is ready. Now what I can do, I can simply press copy link right here, and from there the link has been copied. Now here I can close down WeTransfer, open up my WhatsApp, and here I can send it through WhatsApp by pasting the link, and as you can see here I can send the link. Now what I need to do is simply open the link to download it, of course, press open again, and here we have the full size video, but now it's not yet on our mobile device because we wanted to download it right in the bottom of our screen, and here the download process will start. And as you can see, what we want to do, we want to go through scroll down, and here we have the save video option. And as you can see, WeTransfer would like to add photos to your photo. Simply press allow. Now it has been allowed. And what this will do, if I go to photos right here, as you can see, the last video is duplicated because I downloaded, because I sent it, and it's the exact same size. Now, it's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.